Hey guys, so in my previous video I've made a comparison between the goldish iPhone and the green iPhone. This time I'll make a comparison between the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro and the green iPhone 13 Pro. So both colors are now on a darkish spectrum. So we have a very saturated green iPhone and a Sierra Blue. Which one to go for? If I would be very honest with you, at the end of the day, I'll definitely go for this greenish iPhone. I'll just spill it right away at the beginning of this video. So there's no need to wait until the end of the video. So I'll definitely will go for this greenish iPhone. It has a very subtle green. It's saturated, but at the same time, it has a beautiful layer on it that makes it a complete dark iPhone. If we compare it to a black iPhone, and unfortunately I don't have that iPhone in my hand, definitely this one will win big time. This one, on the other hand, is, yeah, I bought this iPhone and right away, right from unboxing this iPhone, I thought it's a very beautiful iPhone. But yeah, after working with it for a couple of weeks or a couple of months, I got bored of it. And maybe that's the reason why I will go for this green iPhone, because this iPhone is new. I just have it, or I just bought it. This iPhone, I work with this iPhone for a couple of months now, and I think, yeah, I got just bored of this iPhone. Now I need to say I'm very careful with my stuff. I'm very careful with this iPhone, so I don't have any scratches whatsoever. There are no scratches on the side, even though this side is glossy. So does it collect many scratches? Yeah, if you don't use a screen protector, but if you do, you will not have that problem. So at the end of the period or at the end of your lifetime of working with this iPhone and wanted to upgrade to a new iPhone, you can just sell this iPhone at the marketplace and get a decent payment for it. On the other hand, we have this green iPhone, and this one will not collect scratches as well if you use it the correct way. So definitely slap a case on it and you will have a beautiful iPhone that you can love or just enjoy for many years to come. And at the end of the day, you will be selling this iPhone for a decent payment. So yeah, we have both iPhones next to each other, and when I buy an iPhone, I think like 2 or 3 steps ahead. You should think what cases will be looking good on these iPhones. So if I just grab one of my case, I've used this leather case on my iPhone for a couple of months now, and if I'm being honest with you, you don't see anything of that color, except for this camera bump where you see that bluish color. And I should say it goes hand in hand. I think it just looks beautiful. That same question you should ask yourself when willing to buy this green iPhone. Will it go hand in hand with a case I'll slap on it or not? This is not the Max, so this case is not made for this iPhone. But if we just look at it, I think it looks very great. Just from my first look on it, this color, especially this color, goes well with this greenish shade. So yeah, definitely I see definitely a match. So if you are thinking about buying an iPhone, definitely thinking about which case you will slap on it, because yeah, that determines whether you will like your iPhone for a couple of years or not. Will you get bored of using that green iPhone, or will you wanting to use a Sierra Blue iPhone for a lot of years? Yeah, I've just spilled it for you. I will definitely go for this green iPhone, but at the end of the day, it's up to you. You could go for the Sierra Blue. There's nothing wrong with the Sierra Blue. It looks gorgeous. It's just not exactly the same as you may have seen it on the App Store, or I should say on Apple.com. If you just surf to Apple.com and choose iPhone, you'll see a more lightish Sierra Blue. This one is more dark, and if I just judge myself from the experience from my previous iPhones, I've always owned a more lightish color iPhone, and this one's my first dark color iPhone. So maybe that's the reason why I got bored of it. Maybe the next time I'll should go for a white or a gold iPhone. But hey, that's something for another video, I guess. There's one thing though I want to show you, and that's slapping an accessory on it. So we have a purple, what do you call it, a MagSafe wallet. So if I just slap it on this Sierra Blue iPhone, there's no contrast between both colors. We see here a purple color and a Sierra Blue color. Yeah, they just blend into each other. If I do the same with this green iPhone, again, I think it's not the greatest match. Both are very dark. There's no contrast between the two, so you might be wanting to go for a lightish color if you want to have a more darkish accessory. If you buy a dark color iPhone, just go for a light wallet, MagSafe wallet, or a case, definitely, because at the end of the day, you will be seeing that camera bump, and if the contrast is not that great, you might not be willing to own that iPhone anymore. But that's just some food for thought. Think about that. Yeah, if I just can give you a last verdict, I would definitely go for this more saturated green iPhone than this in between dark light Sierra Blue iPhone. But hey, that's my taste. Yeah, and that's actually it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.